Logistics-wise, the Tesla Semi is the most important Tesla vehicle. In this day and age, Tesla's bold entry into the transportation market with a semi-truck shouldn't come as a surprise. As far as changing industries for the better is concerned, Elon Musk won't waste any time. Through his designs of the factories used to make these automobiles, he achieved this not only by developing future-oriented cars with more advanced technology, but also by designing factories that manufacture such cars. With 138 football fields of manufacturing space, walking trails, a boardwalk, and wildlife habitats, including butterflies, fish in the stream, and birds in the trees, this industrial center is a true eco-haven. What revolutionary automobiles will be made at this $7 billion factory? It is a fully electric and battery-powered Class 8 semi-truck that runs entirely on electricity. In November 2017, 2 concept cars were unveiled, and mass production is expected to begin in 2023. Then, a solar-powered Tesla Mega Charger charging station would enable the truck to recharge to 80% in just 30 minutes, allowing it to travel 400 miles or 640 kilometers. On a full charge, the truck would cover 500 miles or 805 kilometers. And Elon Musk said that as part of Tesla's autopilot technology. The Semi will be equipped with a partially automated highway driving capability. In November 2017, Elon Musk announced that his company would set up a solar-powered network of mega chargers that could provide enough power for a truck to travel 400 miles or 640 kilometers in 30 minutes. Tesla first mentioned the Semi in its 2016 master plan. At the time of the announcement, Tesla claimed to have developed a prototype using Model 3 electric motors. Further, Tesla Semi's development began in April 2017 under the leadership of Jerome Guillen. Guillen previously worked for Freightliner of the Cascadia diesel engine Class 8 Semi before joining Tesla to design the production line for the model. Then, an assembly line for the Model 3 was his next project after leaving the Semi program a year later. His appointment as the Tesla president of the automotive began in September 2018. Then, in 2019 and 2020, Tesla began considering locations in 8 states in the central United States. Local organizations and government authorities in the United States have expressed interest in Tesla's Gigafactory, which is envisioned as a vast manufacturing complex. Then, several legislators expressed interest in lowering regulations, simplifying land purchases, and considering tax incentives. And it was mid-May 2020 when Tesla began its hiring process. Moreover, Tesla anticipates reaching its production capacity by 2022 after completing mass production by the end of 2021. Austin, Texas, Nashville, Tennessee, and Tulsa, Oklahoma make it onto that list. A Tesla representative had toured 2 of the Tulsa areas by the middle of May. Meanwhile, Tesla chose Austin as the location for its new factory in July 2020. As soon as it is finished, the Gigafactory in Texas will become the largest lithium-ion battery factory in the world. Model 3 and Model Y automobiles will be produced at the plant, along with the Tesla Cybertruck and Tesla Semi. During Tesla's second quarter financial results, 4 images of its gigantic car plant were released just east of Austin on July 26 of last year. Both inside and outside the Gigafactory in Texas, photos taken from assorted angles show several workers engaged in construction. It appeared that the plant was nearing completion. Initial plans by Tesla to develop 280 acres of its purchased 2,100-acre site remain unrealized despite a report in the Texas state government. And an expansive rectangular manufacturing complex was designed along Texas Highway 130 and extends to roughly Harold Green Road north of the Colorado River. This complex consists of 138 football fields covering an area of 7.9 million square feet. It is still unclear what Tesla will do with the 1,800 acres at the site that are still available if parking spaces are included, since neither Tesla spokesperson nor Elon Musk himself has spoken about the issue. Tesla is expected to do significant additional work at the site, according to Wedbush Securities analyst Dan Ives. In the past, the company has kept its intentions under wraps, thus he cautioned. In his view, they're doing more than just building a factory. After the initial 280 acres, I've said Tesla will also need a test driving facility. After that, there'll be a lot more timber that will need to be cut. As of yet, neither of the public facilities mentioned by Elon Musk when he announced plans for the facility in July appear to have been depicted in the site's design. These may, however, appear at a later stage, and it's going to be a pretty factory because it's right on the Colorado River, Elon Musk promised. Therefore, there will be a boardwalk with hiking and biking trails. Then, there'll be fish swimming in the stream as birds fly around. In addition, the service is available to everyone, not just Tesla customers. Travis County and the Del Valley School District provided tax credits of at least $60 million to help recruit businesses into the area. It is anticipated that 5,000 people will be employed at the facility, but no financial incentives were provided by the state. 70% of Tesla's vehicles are made in Fremont, California. The remaining 30% will be made by China by the end of 2020. Apart from the Austin factory, a new assembly facility is being built in Germany. In light of what we know so far about the Tesla plant, let's briefly review what we know about the Tesla semi-truck. Elon Musk has made a statement regarding Tesla's involvement in the development of heavy-duty, long-distance semi-trucks. In the middle of 2017, research at Carnegie Mellon College of Engineering presented a theoretical analysis of electric semi-trucks. In June 2017, the study released its findings regarding the weight of an electrical semi and its driving range based on current battery technology. Considering the weight of the required batteries, long-distance hauling with an electric semi might not be feasible since the required weight would exceed the legal limit. Battery weight is estimated to be 11,800 kilograms or about a third of the payload, making the truck twice as expensive as a diesel version with the same payload. In addition, other critics have questioned the payload capacity of Class 8 heavy trucks. Nonetheless, the Impact Report 2020 claims that the European Semi would have a higher payload capacity since electric trucks in the US are subject to higher weight limits. It is already possible to carry 2 tons more on an electric semi-truck than on a diesel one in the EU. The payload of electric semi-trucks is 0.9 tons greater than that of diesel semi-trucks in the US. Both the US and EU have allowed larger weight allowances for electric heavy-duty vehicles, so we expect the payload to be at least as high as a diesel truck. And Tesla has made significant advancements in battery technology over the past few years. Due to this, Tesla's semi-truck capacity will also be increased. The electric vehicle manufacturer claims that the 4680 battery cells are significantly superior to those used previously, and there is a lot of energy density packed into these battery cells. As a result, the new 4680 battery pack allows the electric vehicle to carry more freight. Also, its battery lasts longer on a single charge, enabling it to travel for more than 804 kilometers based on the Tesla Impact Report. Additionally, the Tesla semi-truck is predicted to have a mileage of over 0.8 kilometers per kilowatt-hour. In light of Tesla's heavy investment in building an electric truck that has not yet proven successful, the decision should be carefully considered in the automobile market. In the automotive industry, it is unusual to have such a newcomer spend so much money on a factory this big. Tesla's semi program has potential, however, which makes it easy to understand why the company thought it had potential. Likewise, Tesla is likely to be viewed positively by environmental activists if it can achieve zero emissions in the trucking industry. How do you feel about the Tesla Semi and its $7 billion factory? Let us know in the comments below, and thank you for watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video as well.